Good morning, West Hall. My name is Ansley. It's Monday, September 16th, and this is your Spartan News. Yearbooks are already available to buy on yearbookordercenter.com for $60. Order yours now before prices go back up. Now for our sports. Today we have a varsity softball game at home against Fannin. Tomorrow we have a varsity volleyball game at Appalachie and a varsity softball game at Moreau Arena. On Thursday, our JV football team plays at Franklin and varsity softball has a game against East Hall. And on Friday, we have a varsity football game against Franklin. Make sure to get out there and support our Spartan athletes. Any Lady Spartan athletes interested in playing flag football or volleyball, make sure to scan the QR code on the respective flyers to get more info. Now we head over to Callie with the weather.
Thank you, Ansley. Today we will have a high of 77 with a low of 63. This is accompanied with a 50% chance of rain and some early morning showers. Tomorrow we will have a high of 80 with a low of 63. This comes with a 24% chance of rain and some mostly cloudy skies. Wednesday we will have a high of 80 with a low of 62. This comes with a 24% chance of rain and some partly cloudy skies. Now back to you, Ansley.
Thank you, Callie. Spartans, remember to keep your phones put away in backpacks at all times. Do not carry your phone around in the hallways. No teachers or admin should be able to see them. Remember, Spartans, wearing ID badges is important for both your safety and ours. Keep your ID badges on at all times throughout the school day and keep them visible to all admin and teachers. Make sure to wear your badge around your neck, not in your pocket or on your book bag.
Remember, Spartans, there's tutoring available for all classes nearly any time of the week. If you're struggling in a class, make sure to reach out to your teacher and get that scheduled.
Spartans, if you're interested in representing a country and Model UN, make sure to scan the QR code on screen to get more information. Any Spartans interested in joining Student Council, scan the QR code and get more info on the subject. That's all for today's announcements. Have a great day and go Spartans!